PLC Simulator is a convenient tool for testing and troubleshooting ladder logic programs in your XG5000 programming software. It allows you to simulate the operation of a programmable logic controller, LS Electric PLC, without needing actual hardware. This makes it a valuable asset for beginners and experienced programmers. We will demonstrate how to effectively use the PLC Simulator in our XG5000 programming software for ladder logic. Using the start-stop circuit we developed last time, we will show how this can be simulated in the XG5000 programming software before downloading it to the actual XGB PLC. Let's get started. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. If you have not watched the other videos yet, there will be links in the description below that will start you at video 1. There will be links to the rest of the videos in this series as well. Open the XG5000 programming software. Open the XG5000 programming software on your computer. Once the software runs, we can open the start-stop ladder logic project we created last time. Select the Open Project icon on the main screen, or select Main Menu Project Open Project. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+O. The default directory is located under C:\XG5000\projects. Please select the project we created last time and choose Open. Our ladder logic diagram will now be displayed. We are offline to the controller due to the blue bar at the bottom of the XG5000 programming window. Start the PLC Simulator and transfer the program. Start the PLC Simulator by selecting the icon on the main screen. This can also be started by the main menu, Tools, Start Simulator. The XG Sim window will first be displayed. Then the XG5000 will be shown with communication to the simulator. This is the red bar at the bottom of the XG5000 programming software. The Write to PLC window will be displayed. XG5000 software treats the simulator like a PLC controller, and you must establish communication and transfer the program. We will leave all the default settings the same and select OK. Our ladder logic diagram start-stop circuit will be loaded into the PLC simulator. The XG5000 Write Complete message will be displayed. Select OK. The PLC simulator will be placed automatically in run mode. Our program is now executing in a simulator. You can start and stop this scan of the program in the simulator by using the icons on the main menu. Monitoring and testing ladder logic diagram. We can use the PLC simulator's monitoring and troubleshooting tools to observe the behavior of the ladder logic program. We can display the inputs and outputs we want to monitor using the monitoring windows. An easy way to add the variables to the monitoring list is to select the ladder logic or variables, then select Add from the main menu Monitor, Add Variable Monitor. Your selected variables will be displayed. We can change the input variables and observe our program behavior by double-clicking on them. Adjustments can be made to the program using XG5000 when issues or errors are discovered. We can create and save necessary changes to our program using online edit mode. Using the PLC simulator in the XG5000 programming software for ladder logic is an effective way to test and debug PLC programs without physical hardware. It provides a safe and effective environment for programmers to validate their logic and ensure proper operation before deploying it to the real-world applications. By following steps outlined above, you can harness the power of the PLC simulator to streamline your development process and deliver reliable PLC programs. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below. If you have any questions about the video, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you want more information about us or you want our free ebooks on numbering systems or robust data logging, please click on the link in the description below to get it. A new video is put every Monday, so make sure you hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this in the future. Remember to click the bell beside your subscription to actually receive those notifications. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.